I will be giving a presentation on globalization. So, firstly, we should understand that what is globalization. Simply, globalization can be depicted as the increasing global interconnectedness, and it signifies the trend towards the growing interdependence of different parts of the world and integrating the world economy. Second, there are various reasons that led to globalization. First is the improvement in transportation. The cost of transporting goods decreased between the countries because of the larger cargo ships, and the transport improvements also mean that the goods and people can travel more quickly nowadays. And the second is the freedom of trade. Organizations like WTO has promoted the free trade between the countries, and it has removed the barriers. The third is the improvement of communications. The internet and the mobile technology has allowed a greater communication between in different countries and overall the world. The fourth is the labor availability and skills. Uh, Countries like India has cheaper labor costs and also have high skills. So the labor intensive industries such as the clothing, they take advantage of the cheaper labor cost and ultimately reduce the legal restrictions on them. Next is the impact on jobs. The first is the unemployed, they move into as job and wider scope for those who are already in job so as to as a new experience. The third is for those who are working in sectors and may not doing well, they can move to across other other industries. And the fourth is for the workers in industries may not doing well is as a whole, they can move between the sectors in the industries. Next is the impact of globalization. Basically, I will talking about three impact. People nowadays have a number of choices in front of them in relation to the products, in relation to the living. Though globalization has provided many they want as well as income to the rich and the poor. The people working ministries and increase the it has only the loss of local culture. The third is the environmental impact. Globalization has increased the demand for buildings and the increase in infrastructure, which has ultimately resulted in deforestation and global warming because globalization has come up with new technologies which has created a huge amount of pollution, which has ultimately resulted in global warming. The next, I will conclude with the good and the bad of globalization. First, the good. The companies work in joint ventures and it has resulted in increased productivity. As I mentioned earlier, people nowadays have a greater number of choices in front of them. So it has increased the standard of living. Increased competition. The companies work in joint ventures and it has increased competition which has resulted in adoption of new technologies which ultimately profit the companies as well as the people of the country. Increased inflow of foreign capital has also increased. The next is the bad impact on traditional industries because globalization has come up with new technologies and the people nowadays have a want for modern materials which has impacted the traditional industries. When the companies work in joint ventures and one is larger and the other is smaller, the larger usually take over the national firms. It has affected the small scale industries because people nowadays have increased their wants and needs, which can be fulfilled by big industries only. It has widened the disparities between the rich and the poor. Next, thank you so much for listening so patiently.
Very nice and very crisp. Good. Very good. Keep it up, Rashmi. You to speak that. Just a little bit about your 1 minute. Nicely, very formally about your future plans.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmeet Kaur and I will talk about my future plans. Currently, my future plan is to certify myself as a graduated and a post-graduated person. And now my future plan is to enter the field of digital marketing. But if I get more opportunity, a better opportunity, then I may switch to that.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmeet Kaur and I'm a student of Intermediate Level 1. Today I will be talking about my experiences at KKMU. So firstly I will talk about the faculty. The faculty here teach us with the help of Harvard case studies and with their own experiences at industry life, which makes the study very effective and useful. Second is the notes that is provided to us are in a very detailed manner, and as it is a corona time, it is provided online, though it is provided in a very detailed manner and in a very systematic manner, which makes our study very effective. Overall, my experience till now at KKMU is very great, and I'm hoping for this experience at the end of 3 years. And thank you so much.